Hello and welcome back to the CookHub. Today let us make easy and tasty vanilla cookies without butter, eggs and an oven. So we will be making this on an induction cooktop. Just look at these cookies. They are golden at the bottom, lightly crisp on the edges and soft at the center. Here are the list of ingredients required for this recipe. Make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. Let us start by greasing a pan or aluminium base lightly with oil, or even you can line it with a parchment paper. Set it aside. Now in a mixing bowl add 3/4 cup of all purpose flour or Maida, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Give this all a good mix. You can also sieve it before using. In another bowl, mix in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Here I have taken superfine sugar. Then add in 3 tablespoons of oil and 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give this all a good mix. Whisk it really very well until it is well combined. Add in the dry ingredients and give it a mix. Then gradually adding milk, mix it to form a soft dough. So here I have added around 2 to 2.5 tablespoon of milk, but this quantity may vary slightly depending on your flour type. So add it gradually, just enough to bring the dough together. It should be soft and not sticky. So make sure you don't add the milk in one shot. Shape into small balls, flatten them and then place it on a greased plate. To get evenly sized cookies, you can use 1 tablespoon measuring spoon to scoop the dough. This makes shaping easier and helps the cookies cook evenly. Preheat a thick bottom pan or tawa on your induction cooktop at medium heat, placing a stand inside and cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, place the tray inside the pan, cover it with a lid and then cook the cookies on low to medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep checking it after 12 minutes. The cookies should be slightly golden at the bottom and firm to touch. While you're making the cookie dough balls, you can top it with choco chips or some nuts. Here, to give an extra delicious touch, I have drizzled some chocolate frosting on top. So this is completely optional. You can even dip the entire cookie into a chocolate ganache or a melted chocolate and then set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature or until the chocolate is set completely, or even keep it plain if you like. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the CookHub.